How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, good.
Where are you from, Wasim?
I'm from Pakistan. You are?
Oh, my friend, you're from Pakistan. I'm from
Yes.
Philippines, my friend.
Oh, fancy.
Oh, kinilig siya. Kinilig siya at sumayaw siya. My friend,
Yes,
I have a question.
yes.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm single.
You're single. Are you looking for a girlfriend?
Oh,
You looking? Not really.
I'm
Oh.
looking a girl.
You're looking for a girlfriend. How old are you?
I'm 25.
25. Crazy. You're too young.
Yes. Why?
Kita min sobrang bata. Pero mukhang matanda. Ano ba to? Are you really 25?
Why?
Are you really 25?
Yes.
Uy. Wey! Maen!
You are.
Tap tap the screen, Maen!
You are.
Sorry naman, T. Ganyan talaga ako. Judgers kasi ako eh. Totoo naman! Ikaw ba, 25, maniwala ka?
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Kinikilig. Are you working?
Yes.
What is your work?
My wife thought.
I can't hear you. What is that?
I'm doing work. Yes.
Wala ako naintindihan. I didn't understand what you're saying.
Yes.
You're
Yeah.
you're making dress?
Yeah.
Oh.
Lady dress. Your dress. Not my dress, your dress.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like, as in dress?
Yes.
Ay, gumagawa ka ng damit! Oh, are you, ang tawag doon? Are you, what did you call it? Ganon? Like this? Ganyan? Ganyan? Oh, bitch. Ayun! Seawer pala, seawer. Yeah, seawering moment. Thank you so much, guys. Stop my screen, please. Really?